Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GetResponse for automation UI flows, complete guide step by step. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the GetResponse homepage by typing www.getresponse.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, click on the Start Free Trial button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you wish to use for your account. Next, create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. After filling in the required information, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your inbox for an email from GetResponse. Open the email and click on the confirmation link inside. This link will redirect you back to the GetResponse platform. You may be prompted to enter additional information, such as your name or company details. Fill out any necessary fields and proceed by clicking Continue. Next, you will have the option to select a plan. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. If you selected the free trial, you can continue without payment details. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Now, you will be taken to the GetResponse dashboard. On the left sidebar, find and click on Automation. In the Automation section, you will see options for creating automation workflows. Click on Create Workflow to start building your UI flow. You will have the choice to use a template or start from scratch. If you select a template, browse through the available options. Once you find a suitable template, click on it. If you prefer to create your own, select the Start from Scratch option. You will now enter the Automation Builder. This is where you can drag and drop elements to create your workflow. Add triggers, conditions, and actions as needed. Customize each element by clicking on it and adjusting the settings. Once you are satisfied with your workflow, click the Save button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.